In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on LinkedIn. If there's someone on LinkedIn you no longer want interacting with you, blocking them is a simple way to protect your space and control your experience on the platform. This can be useful if someone is contacting you too often, making you uncomfortable, or if you just want to prevent them from viewing your profile or reaching out to you. The process only takes a moment once you know where to look. To get started, go to the profile of the person you want to block. You'll need to open their LinkedIn profile page directly because the block option is found there rather than in your general settings during this process. If you've recently interacted with them, you may be able to find them through your messages, notifications, search bar, or your connections list. Once you're on their profile, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct account before moving forward. Next, look for the More button located below their profile picture. On LinkedIn, this button usually opens a drop-down menu with extra actions related to that person's profile. Depending on the device you're using, the layout may look slightly different, but the More option is generally easy to spot near the main profile action buttons. After you click More, select Report Block from the drop-down list. This section is where LinkedIn gives you tools to manage unwanted interactions or report behavior if needed. Since the goal here is to block the person, this is the option you'll use to continue. A pop-up window will then appear. In that window, click the option that says Block followed by the member's name. After that, LinkedIn will ask you to confirm your choice. Click Block again to confirm. Once you do that, the block will be applied and that person will no longer be able to interact with you on LinkedIn in the usual ways. As a quick tip, blocking is meant to be a private action, so LinkedIn does not typically notify the person that you blocked them. Also, if you ever need to change your mind later, you can review your blocked list in your account settings. For now though, that's all you need to do to block someone successfully. And that's it! You've now learned how to block someone on LinkedIn quickly and confidently.